Welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. The boat in front of us is a 2018 Jeanneau NC33. This is a small but capable cruiser, and I think Jeanneau did a really good job with the design. This boat is available for charter by Waypoint's Yacht Charters in Annapolis, Maryland, and we are going to tour it inside and out. Starting on the swim platform, where you do have a small storage locker here. And then this whole seating section can actually be moved forward on this track system, giving yourself more space on the swim platform. Additionally, this area can be converted to a sun pad. There are info cushions that go right here. You can see there are handles here. You can pull this out, put the cushions on, grab the bar here, and you simply pull up and out. And now you can sort of visualize how it all comes to be. You'll also see this small section of cushion here. When you're sliding this bench forward, these get removed so everything fits. You have an awning overhead. So let's make our way inside, and you'll notice how bright and spacious everything feels, even though the boat isn't that big. You have an L-shaped seating area over here, and this also serves as your dining area. This table flips out. You can also lower this table, and there are additional cushions, so you can convert this area into another berth. And you'll notice you can also actually remove this table and put it out in the cockpit. So it's a very versatile setup. And there's a little bit of storage space underneath the seating section as well. The galley is on the starboard side. You have a microwave down here, although you can opt for a small oven. And there is a refrigerator right over here. You have a countertop section here, and then underneath is a sink and a 2-burner hob. Let me show you that really quick. So as you can see, you have your 2-burner hob and a sink. You have a very clean looking helm station on this small boat. You can see you have your VHF radio. There's a small Raymarine multifunction display. And this boat also comes with an optional joystick control. And here are your throttle controls right here. There's a lift bolster seat. And then this boat impressively comes with a side access door. And you'll also see overhead, you have this fantastic sunroof. So there's tons of natural light, and you can really open up this space. You can have the side access door opened, and then on the port side, you can drop this window down, so you can create a lovely cross breeze. One more fun thing to note on this boat, there are a couple of height adjustments you can make. You can drop this footrest down if you want a little bit of extra height. And if you want to stick your head out of the top of the boat, you can actually lower this one as well. So you can have a great view while you're navigating the boat. I also really liked how you can convert this area into a companion seat at the helm. If you pull this back, now you have a double seat facing forward to go along with your helm station. So if we move straight ahead, we will make our way into the main cabin on this boat, and it's actually quite impressive for a boat this small. They have these beautiful LED lights. There are a couple of skylights overhead. as well as some windows bringing in some natural light. This is a good sized double bed, and it also includes some storage right underneath the bed. There's storage built all along the walls here. And here are the controls for your Fusion stereo system, your AC and heat, and you have a TV mounted on the wall. On the port side is where you have your hanging locker. Now the second cabin is right back here. You do not get full headroom over the bed, but it still feels fairly spacious, and it does not feel claustrophobic. You have a large window here, as well as a porthole if you want to get some ventilation. And this berth also comes with a small hanging locker. Through this door, you actually have a second refrigerator. And you also have some built-in storage shelves here, so you can use this as a pantry or store whatever else you want in this area. Now the single head for the boat is in here. We have your sink, and then the toilet and shower share this space, and you do have a way to enclose this area so the rest of the head does not get wet. So you can see the shower head is right there, and that will clip on right overhead. You have a bit of storage underneath the stairs, and these are all of your battery switches. They even managed to fit a small side access door. And they added handrails on either side. You have a couple of loungers up here, and there are additional cushions so you can fill up this entire space. And here is your anchor chain. This boat has a really sleek profile, and I really like the large single-piece windshield. Now we need to check out the engine compartment. So you have this huge hatch that opens up, giving you tons of access to the engine space. This boat comes with a pair of Volvo Penta D3 220s. This boat has a max speed of around 31, 32 knots. You can comfortably cruise at 25 with a range of about 225 to maybe 250 miles. So I think we will finish the tour right here at the helm seat. If you enjoy these yacht tours, make sure to leave a like on the video and also subscribe so you never miss a future upload. thank you so much to Waypoint's Yacht Charters in Annapolis, Maryland for letting me do the tour. They will be linked down in the description below if you want to charter this vessel or others like it. Until next time.